Good morning, class 8. Today we will start our first chapter, that is representation of geographical features, starting with topographic map, which is also known as survey map, and it is drawn on large scale. These maps are used to represent the physical and cultural feature of our country, of regions in details. In India, these maps are created by the Survey of India Department. Topography is the shape of the land surface, and topographic maps are created to represent the land surface. Those maps are tools used in geographical studies because they show the configuration of the Earth's surface. Cartographers are the person who draw these maps. They solve the problem of representation of three-dimensional land surface on a flat piece of paper by using counter lines. What are counter lines? Counter lines are lines, those are drawn on a map connecting points of equal elevation, or the places those are at equal level from the sea. So horizontal distance and vertical distance elevations can both be measured from the topographic map. While drawing a topographic map, different features are represented on the map with different signs and symbols. Also, colors are used for different representation, like black is used to name the river banks, broken grounds, railway lines, telephones, telegraphs, etc. are shown. With blue, water bodies, water features are shown. The word Bakrish written along some of the water bodies in the map indicates the high salt content water. That means those water are salt water. Green represents the forest areas, orchids areas, scattered trees and shrubs of any place. Yellow is referred to all cultivated areas, those are shown in the map. White for uncultivated areas, brown for counter lines. Their numbering from lines. Features such as sand hills, dunes are shown in brown. Red, these colors are used as grid lines, then for writing of eastings and northings, and their numbering, roads, card, tracks, settlement, houses and buildings. For this, red is used. What is easting and northing? Easting and northing are geographic these eastings are referred to the eastward measured distance from the x co-coordinate, while northing is referred to the northward measured distance by y co-coordinate. Here you can see this is easting as it is told, and this is northing. This too helps us to find a place very easily. Each color on the topo sheet has its own significance. So this is the table which will help you to know it. Next come evaluation of counter. These are imaginary lines which join places having the same elevation above means of sea level. A map showing the landform of an area by counters are called counter maps. Here you can see that it is marked with different lines, small and bigger. So this is how a drawing is being done for helping us to know what type of land it is from the map. The method of showing relief features through counter is very useful and versatile. The counter lines on the map provide a useful insight into the topography of that area. We try it. Let's see how can you do it. Okay. Here, ground surveys and leveling methods are used to draw counters on topographical maps. The invention of photography or subsequent use of aerial photography have replaced the conventional methods of surveying, leveling and mapping. So, these photographs are used in topographical mapping.